I'm Winnie Sachin, proud MMM participant from Nakuru town. I joined the community on 28th June 2017 and was very able to provide help of cash 53,000 Kenya shillings. And come the 8th of 8th 2017, I requested to get help of cash 96,000 Kenya shillings, which I received in under 48 hours. I am very grateful to be a member of MMM because I can now revive my dying business, and because of I urge my friends to embrace the MMM ideology as it gives lives to the dying ordinary man. I believe MMM is going places and pray that it lives long to help in and to help us as the generation to come. Long live MMM. Long live Sir Sergeant Melody.